What are outliers? Put simply, outliers are values in our data that are unusual for a given context. These two simple words, unusual and context, are really important. Let's consider Rossmann sales data. Imagine most stores have daily sales around 5,000 to 10,000 euros. These are your typical normal values. But then you might see a store reporting sales of 35,000 euros on a particular day. That's a very large outlier. On the other hand, some stores might have sales near zero, which is another kind of outlier. So here's the key insight. We need to identify whether a certain value, which is an outlier, is incorrect data or is it representing an important business signal? Was it really a typo that we got a 35,000 euro sales? Or was there a promotion running? What happened with the stores which are reporting a 0 euro sales? Are they even open or have they closed down? So outliers aren't always bad and they aren't always data errors. In real world data, some values naturally differ from the rest and that's okay. What matters is recognizing these outliers and learning how to handle them properly because they can carry important business meaning or require special treatment. Our job is to understand why these values stand out and what they mean for the business, whether they signal a big event, a data error, or something else.